On April 20th, 2025, officers responded to a tow yard for a report of 2 people trespassing inside a vehicle.
Where are we going? Stop! What are you doing, man?
You need medical, bud?
I gotta go, man.
Hey, sit on your side. Roll over on your side so you can breathe more. Right there. Here you go. Tuck your knees to your chest. Put your knees to your chest.
Yeah. Take these knees all the way up to your chest, okay? So we're gonna start. There we go. Calm down. Yeah. Feel like trying to walk? You want to try it? Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. We're going up. There we go. Alright. Let's try and walk to the gate. We're going to walk that way, okay? I believe someone has. I'm not 100%.
Run him?
You run him?
No, I have not run this
Okay. Lead with your feet. We'll hold balance, so lead with your feet. There we go. Gate in front of you, don't walk in that. Hey, back you up against this car so you can kind of put your weight on that, okay? There you go. You good?
There, go ahead and stand up straight so we can search you. You got anything that's going to poke us?
If you want to go ahead so that we can balance him. Do you want to go and search so we can balance?
Say that again?
We'll balance him, you get through the pockets.
You help balance.
Work on balancing him.
Please give me some water, please. Please give me some water, please. Anthony, what is this? I don't know what this is as far as... Please, I give some water, please.
Just a second.
I'll you want to show me. There, we might have, we're going to go check for one outstanding female.
All right.
Go through the whole list of everything. Wants to learn himself, is dehydrated, is on drugs.
Everything.
Oh, yeah, man. Those things in the water, man. He's in the back of a truck, man. I think.
Excuse me, sir. Do you want these 2 both arrested for trespassing?
Yeah, you can, but I already know they'll be back out tomorrow.
Yeah, so I just have to ask. So if you want them arrested, we can do that. If you don't, then we could just remove them. And
Yeah, I'm going to do that for a reason. Maybe they might get the idea that they can't come in here.
Okay.
It's not okay, because they're just taking advantage of the situation.
7:30, 7:49. He says he does. Yes.
There's still one more missing. He found those 2.
Yeah.
I don't see the one girl with the string of hair and that red.
Yeah, a lot of these windows are tinted, so I'm thinking they're still in the car.
I moved out from Florida last week. They both got windows out of 12 vehicles. I don't know if I'm off to the jump.
Yeah, we'll go through all the cars again before we leave and make sure for you.
What else saying? What else saying? Are we free to go?
7:30, 7:49. You can do resisting with injury too.
What'd you say?
Yeah, ma'am.
What? No. What I'm doing is I'm setting ground rules with you. That when
I
we
have not
speak,
been inside of that.
oh no, what I'm saying to you is when we speak, I'm going to speak to you respectfully. I'm going to ask the same to you.
And you don't think that I'm not respectful?
I don't think you are. No.
Why are you saying that, officer?
Good.
Huh?
Yeah, he's going to pretend to be too ill to go, but we can confirm it anyway and see what ends up happening.
Do you need pictures of me, or do they want pictures? That's all it is.
Unless you're going to charge him with...
So we're going to
felony
charge the resisting, yeah.
Yeah, then you should take pictures.
Okay.
Okay. So you're going to give local charges. You're just going to do felony resisting.
Drug paraphernalia too.
Okay. You found the drug paraphernalia?
In his pocket.
What do you get?
Like a crack pipe with residue that was all broken, and then the copper, water copper, dirty water copper.
I'd really like him if you got the meeting. Can you stop tearing his shit up, please? He's just a businessman trying to make a living, okay? Well, I mean, yeah, but yeah, you're participating in the tearing up of shit, okay? I get it. But can you just please try to be more respectful of the stuff? Okay, thanks. Have a great day.
Back at 10:30.
NTA or no?
She got an NTA.
Okay, she did.
Female half state NTA, 95 top.
And then I'm taking the face on this.
Oh, okay.
Is that-
Thank you.
Yeah, I know you get off here in a little bit.
As far as him, do you want 701 to question him about your stuff or no?
I gotta think of which fucking case that was.
B&B.
Oh, he's arrestable for it.
Oh, okay. So yeah, so
We can talk to him. He's in cuffs, right?
Mr. Wallace, I'm going to read you something real quick, alright? Okay, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law or other proceedings. You have the right to the presence of an attorney during any questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you if you wish. Do you understand the rights I have provided you? Oh, yes? Okay. Alright, so on April 12th, the night of April 12th, do you know anything about a Ford Fusion being broken into at all? No? You didn't break into a vehicle at all that day? You didn't? No? Okay. Ford Fusion's broken into? You don't know anything about that? Credit cards? You didn't take any credit cards out of a car that day? No? Okay.
So if we review the video we have, it's not going to be you on that video?
Breaking into a car?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Okay. So you're going to be issued 2 notice to appears today. Okay. So you have to go to court on 5/15/25 at 2 p.m. All right. One's going to be for this case today, of your charges today. The other's going to be for your charges for that second case for the burglary motor vehicle that I just asked you about. Okay.
I'm charged with that.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. That's why I was asking you about it.
Broke into a car?
Yes.
Why?
I'm not the original officer on it. I don't know all the details on the case, or why you're being charged with that in specific, since I wasn't the original officer on that specific case. This case here, today, you're being charged with trespassing, alright, and then it's going to be resisting, causing injury to an officer, and then you're also going to be... What was your other charge? Yeah, I had that one. Okay.
In the end, officers found a wad of copper and a broken pipe were recovered from his pocket. He was charged with criminal trespass, possession of drug paraphernalia, and resisting arrest.